Hello everyone, welcome to this demo that will be about infrastructure changes so that we can show resolution logs to users for a longer period of time. So basically User API now can pick logs from Argo workflows that are stored on Ceph. So this demo is more about infrastructure changes, but these changes are here to support user experience and also reduce pressure on the cluster side. So let's go into terminal. I'm in a project structure that has just solely pip file, and here you can see that I'm using one package that is NumPy. What I will do, I will call Thoth advice. I will also provide force, so the analysis is triggered, or the resolver is triggered, and it really computes results. If we otherwise cached results would be obtained. And if you go to Argo Workflows UI, here you can see that a corresponding resolver was started. And here you can see that resolver computes software stack that is recommended to users. And once the computation is done, then we see resolution information and also recommended stack. If I do now Thoth log, I can see information that were printed during resolution, but before we kept this log only during lifetime of workflows. So once a workflow was deleted, as I will do now, users were not able to receive logs for the given advice. If I do Thoth log again, you can see that logs are again available. This is important change because we do not need to keep advisor pods running in the cluster. So we reduce pressure that is on Kubernetes API. So advisor pods can live in the cluster, in the namespace for shorter period of time. And users will still be able to see logs. Moreover, they will see it for a longer period of time because these logs are stored on Ceph. Later on, we will propose for how long these logs will be available. For now, we don't clean them on Ceph, so users are able to browse logs that are potentially very old, but this will change over time. This way, I would like to thank you and see you next time.